Danyang Weili Plastic Company Limited was founded in 1987, dedicating itself to design and manufacture over 50 million high-quality wipers and accessories. The product range is rear wiper kit, front wiper arm, and wiper nozzle, containing thousands of products which cover 99% of vehicle models in the world. Self-owned R&D and customized quality mode making increase product precision. Fully automatic high-speed production lines meet IATF 16949 standard. Computer-controlled mechanization coating provides perfect coating coverage. National standard laboratory simulates all weather and all terrain conditions, ensuring excellent work performance under various scenarios. Systematic stock management with FIFO process guarantees short lead time and fast delivery. LKK, your trustworthy business partner.